It's almost Valentine's Day, which means we have the perfect excuse to talk all about red lipsticks. First up is from CTZN Cosmetics. It is their Bullet Matte Long-Lasting Lipstick in the shade Laal. Super easy to apply. It has a very matte finish, but it does not feel dry on the lips whatsoever. It feels very velvety and cushiony. Of course, I had to include the Lip Bar's Rich Auntie shade. This is one of my favorite reds. It has this beautiful berry kind of bluish undertone to it that makes your teeth look super white, which is always a win. The formula is fabulous. It's a liquid lipstick that sets down into a matte finish and is super long lasting. And this one's for anyone who likes a little bit of shine in their life. This is Urban Decay's liquid lip color in the shade Unbreakable. Do not let the shiny finish of this one fool you, because once it sets, it is there all night long. And maybe a little bit of the next morning. Now, let's say you love a liquid lipstick, but you want a little bit of a power plump to it as well. Enter in TooFaced Lip Injection Power Plumping Cream Liquid Lipstick. This shade is Infatuated, and I can already feel it starting to plump my lips. And finally, the I'm Still Here liquid lipstick from Give Beauty lasts so long, it should be considered immortal. This is the shade Original Recipe. Such a good red.